Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to become a Hostinger affiliates partner in 2023. Hostinger is a popular web hosting provider known for its affordable and reliable service. Their affiliates program offers a fantastic opportunity to earn commissions by promoting their hosting plans. If you're interested in joining the program and monetizing your websites for or marketing efforts, let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using the Brave browser, but of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Simply, once you open whatever browser you have, you can simply go to this URL section and simply type Hostinger affiliates program and hit the enter button. That will take you here, so simply make sure to choose the first option. As you can see, Hostinger affiliates program earn at least 60% from every sale. You can promote a trusted service loved by millions and join an affiliates program that values your partnership. Of course, joining the program in 4 easy steps, you'll have to instant sign up, track your performance, affiliates banners, and get your payout. So simply click on Access Affiliates Program. That will open a new tab for you. So simply you'll have to log in into your account if you have one. If you don't have one, simply go and click on Partner Sign Up here. So simply here, apply to the network. So you will have to fill all these options as you can see. So the company name, the website, the address, city, phone, and the tax ID. Of course, what is important is what has a star. That means you will have to provide them. So simply just go and do that. So for me, I'm just going to do something random here for you. Make sure to have accurate things here and check this option. Let me just add the phone number. So as example this and click on next. So here I'll have to add the first name, last name. As I said, this is not going to be accurate, but for you, of course, make sure to have everything accurate and correct, not like me here. So make sure to go and follow the instructions for creating a password here. Then simply confirm your password here and click on next. So you'll have to answer some questions here. As example, I don't know, social media. Here I'm just going to put a test, and I understand. And here I understand. For you, make sure to read every questions carefully and then answer accurately and honestly. Because if you didn't, I mean, what's the point of lying here? You need to join their program if you didn't like them or you don't want to do it from your heart. So simply click on next here. And as you can see, privacy and policy, make sure to read it and click on check on I have read and agree the privacy policy. And I agree to the terms and conditions and make sure to read all of those again so you don't have any problem with them or conflict in the future. And of course, you can even check this option and then click on I'm not a robot, then click on sign up, as simple as that. Of course, now, as you can see, your application is currently being reviewed and account manager will contact you shortly. So you can always log in into your account as an example if you want to. So let me just, as an example, log in here into my account and let's just get the password also and click on login. As you can see, accounts rejected because I still don't have an account. But for you, of course, you will have to wait like 1 or 2 days. Of course, 1 or 2 business days. And in the meanwhile, familiarize yourself with Hostinger products and benefits. So while waiting for your application to be approved, take some time to familiarize yourself with Hostinger products and their unique selling points. They offer various hosting plans, including shared hosting, VPS, and cloud hosting. Understand their features, benefits, and competitive pricing to effectively promote them. Then you can, once approved, of course, as a Hostinger affiliate, it's time to create an engaging and informative promotional content. Consider writing it like detailed reviews, tutorials, or comparison articles, videos that highlight the benefits of hosting or the hostagers or hosting servers, and be sure to include your unique affiliate links to track referrals. Of course, you can even promote hosting through your marketing channels. So utilize your marketing channels to promote hosting and drive traffic to their website. Whether you have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, I don't know, whatever social you have. or an email even less, share your content and actively promote hosting or hosting plans. Remember to disclose your affiliates relationship transparently. Of course, you can even then monitor your affiliate performance and optimize it. So you can simply keep track of your affiliates performance using hosting your affiliate dashboard or reporting tool. Monitor your click-through rates, conversations, and commissions earned. And of course, you can analyze the data to identify the most effective promotional strategies and optimize your approach accordingly. Then you can maximize your earning with advanced strategies. So once you've established a foundation, explore advanced strategies to maximize your earning as a host, Stinger affiliates, and of course consider leveraging SEO techniques to improve your website's visibility and organic traffics. Of course, explore paid advertising, influencers, collaborations, or guest posting opportunities to expand your reach and attract new customers. Of course, for this or this advice for the ones who actually got approved for the Hostinger affiliates program. But what if you didn't? So simply, you'll have to go and try again. Never give up. So as simple as that. You'll have to go and try again. If they refuse once again, or try again. Uh, you will lose nothing trying again over and over until you get accepted. If you really like or you really would like to do or to apply to this affiliates program. Of course, you can even contact them by the email support from here if you didn't get accepted again and again, and try to see why you didn't get accepted and try to understand why and try to improve that. As an example, if you didn't have enough like followers, or you are not famous enough, or you're not going to add them good, so make sure to understand why, and once you understand, you can try or to work on that. And once you get better on the thing why they didn't accept you, you can simply go back and join or apply for the affiliate program. And of course, if you didn't even success on that, you can go and apply for another affiliates program such as GoDaddy affiliates program. I even have a video on this channel on how to apply on that. You can go and check it out after this video, and you will be good to go right away. Once you try, I hope you get approved as soon as possible. And if you didn't, good luck in other places. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you've learned how to become a Hostinger affiliate program and potentially earn commissions by promoting their hosting services. Remember to provide value to your audience and stay consistent and continuously optimize your promotional efforts. Affiliates marketing can be a rewarding journey, and with hosting your affiliates program, you can have a fantastic opportunity to generate income. Thanks for watching and happy affiliates marketing, and I'll see you in the next video.